Hi friends and fans, welcome back to Pokemon Break Bronze on Roblox. And I'm basically doing great over here. But how you guys doing? Doing completely great. Now we shall move on to the next stadium. Or next place. Route 4. And you can see it is blocked by some stone. That's what you thought. First you used cut. Yay, the tree fell down. Now we can go through. I had to learn that from the lumberjack. It took 2 years to learn. But, you know what? Let me head back real quick. Because there was some stuff back in the last town that I needed to do. Pokemon Break Bronze. Anyway, pretty peaceful out here. I wonder if my Pokemon could climb. I don't know who could scale the rocks. Do you guys know who could scale the rocks? Wait. Increase the shiny rate. Increase legendary missile encounter rate. Earn EVs faster. Yay. Gain EXP faster. Hatch eggs faster. Or earn money faster. Yeah. Anyway, let's go back on the path. I think there was a place where we could chop down a tree. And we're gonna fight a Pokemon. Yay, it's you. Actually, I want to catch one of you. Use Charge Beam real quick. I want to see how strong it is. That's pretty strong. Hey! Now let's just catch you real quick, because I really do not have the time to focus on you. Catch him, catch her. Oh, God. Nope. Yay, 31 experience. Something this Pokemon needs. Here, let me just... Oh, of course. And another one of these. Here, let me just catch another one. Charge Beam. Yay, we almost destroyed it. Now, I'm gonna finish it off with Quick Attack. Let me just use Cut. Yep. Yay! We're doing great. Now, let's finally head back. Wait, do I have a Pokemon that could scale the rocks? Oh, so it's not going to tell me, oh yes, you have the right Pokemon. I wonder what type of Pokemon could scale rocks. Because I don't have that type of Pokemon, apparently. There's like, you can like cut down like trees. Route 2. There should be a place where I could cut down a tree if I wanted. It's like up here. Backtracking, my favorite thing to do. Let this dude won the battle. Yay! Chesham Town or Checkham Town. Ash usually calls it I can't remember, it's like Chemist Town or Chemist it's called. I have no idea what it's called, but Chemist, I think. Oh man, do I really have to? Alright, you know what? And I didn't have to find anything. Oh, lucky day. And another patch of grass. Just tell me that there's something I could do. is that? Let me see the things. Back. Grass snot? Oh my god. How strong is it? Oh. There's literally no point of pointing out on my thing. But hey, at least we got something great. And then we had to go back. Well, it's great I came back here. I got grass snot, which is worth it. Sorry. Oh. Oh, Metapod. Not you, because you're a new type. Metapod. Attack. Metapod. Metapod's one of those evil types of Pokemon. All he does is harden. He's like one of the trolliest freaking Pokemon in the world. He just sit there and waits. My throat. Yeah, it definitely just fell apart. Oh, almost had it. What? What was that? I should have caught that Metapod. This is cheaper. Oh, come on! Oh, come on, man. Oh, don't kill it. Stop using harden. You're screwing up my chances of catching you. I've used 3 Pokemon balls on this freaking Metapod, and I'm tired of doing it. Oh, come on! Metapod, you piece of feces, dude. Guess I have to get him down to red. Oh. He's at red. Should be able to catch him now. That's all he's good for, is hardening. 4 Pokeballs. 4 Pokemon balls have been wasted on this dude. Let's see if I can catch him. And I did. Yep, there we go. No. Yay, box 4. This is a grass type. Oh, that's cool. Anyway, let me head back. Because there's really no point of being here. Anyway, we found grass snot, grass shot, whatever it's called. But, we got that, and, Route 2. Should be on Route 4 right now, or Route 5. Man, what is a Pokemon that can scale the rocks? I don't know what Pokemon can run up the rocks. I don't know, but anyway. Looking for secrets. Let's head back. Last episode we beat the gym leader, which is great. Wait a second. There's a Pokeball back there. Ooh, I didn't see that. But I had to go through the grass, which means a fight should happen. Oh, paralyzing heal. Yay. Now I have to go back through the grass. No! Dang it. Ugh, I mean... Abra... I'm gonna use this. If I can't catch it, then, we're gonna have some deep trouble here. I'm probably not gonna be able to catch it. Oh my god, I just catched it. Haha! Hey, I got Abra. Here. Oh, just I got Abra. Which was a Pokemon I really wanted. Please don't. No! God dang it. An electric, which I really don't need. Destroy him. Sorry. Yeah, it's not very effective. Can we cut him? And he took, medium damage. Cut. I'm just slicing this dude to bits. Woo! Almost leveled up there. Anyway, let's see something. Pokemon balls, any? I don't see any. I'm just on the lookout for Pokemon balls. Like the new ones. Because I really want some. Wait, can Abra scale rocks? Is that a question? Because if so, I'm going to need to head back. No. Oh, this is terrible. I do not know what can scale rocks. Maybe chessmen. Because I do know there's chessmen in the game. Another Abra. Good sir, I do not need your presence. I have your, brother. See, you have to catch him on the first try or it's almost impossible. You attack him, he leaves immediately. If you do anything else but throw a Pokemon ball at him, he leaves immediately. Which is funny, but... Here. Heal my Pokemon. It's not like I need healing, but... they need to sleep. It's sad that I couldn't get Pikachu. It'd be great if I got Pikachu. Yay. No wait, I don't need to go there. I'll go there in a second. Here. You. I'll help you. I'd like to buy, What? My god, of course, the escape rope. Haha. Repel. That's great. I'm like, oh my god, the amount these cost. Oh! No, I just need two. Oh. Just need two, please. Oh my god, the amount they cost. Awakening. Oh, let's spray the wake to my Pokemon. A great ball. I need some of these. Oh, come on, man. The amount these cost. Sorry, sir, I must buy a few. I cannot spend all my money in one place. Wish I can, but a few great balls will do. And it's just repel. I like to buy the repel because it's a funny item. Wait, does he sell items different times? No. What the heck? I'll just buy a repel. Because it's an item that I need. It's not an item that I need, it's just a funny item. Anyway, thank you for stopping by, and see you later. Excuse me, Metapod, what are you doing, electric? Metapod, oh my god. Metapod, what are you doing? Wait, Metapod, you do not belong in electric. So I don't think you do. Oh my god. Yeah, you belong in electric, not Metapod. Metapod, you get out here. I don't need the electric, and hope you guys have